tutorial fix this problem on Ubuntu and in any distro based on Ubuntu. When you try to install any app of the Mint install or software manager of the Linux Mint, when you click on the app and try to install, in this button will be right cannot install. This problem happen because in your system have broken dependencies. So to check it out the broken dependencies, you have to open the Synaptic Package Manager, click on Custom Filter and Broken. If in your system had any broken dependencies, will appear in this terminal. So all that you have to do is copy this command, open the terminal, paste the command on the terminal, type your password, click on enter, and after in this console won't have any broken dependencies. And when you close and open the Mint install or software manager of the Linux Mint or Ubuntu, this problem will be solved.